Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this CAD idea architecture, and the topic for today will be something called building parameters. This is another command of the AutoREG group of commands. In fact, I think it's not very complex, the command itself, but it's integrated in a global definition of the parameters and the building definition and all the information related to this ultimate building. So inside AutoREG menu, you have something called select building parameters. This is a very simple dialog box, and basically inside you need to make the definition of these parameters, like areas, locations, whatever you may want to give, these coverage coefficients, building coefficients, and all this information. So you fulfill all of this and then accept. This is inserted inside the drawing in several ways. We can see that. One is this building parameters text, so we can insert this information, also information about the building plot area. So we don't have in this particular case nothing done, so the area is 0. But you get that information that was defined on that dialog box here, and we can also modify it with the last option, the modify text. This is M text element, so we can come here and write down and modify what we want. Okay, so for creating this particular information, this is, I think, basic. It is very easy. Seeing this isolated in this video, maybe it's not so easy to understand the global purpose, but we are going to see these functions, a set or a single command per video, and in the end we will have full videos showing how to create and how to manage one project from scratch. So all of these commands and all of these definitions that we are seeing now isolated will be seen integrated in one major job. So for the moment, if you have any questions about this command, let us know so that we can help you and give you our support.